So, did you take a picture of them? Are you doing that? You can actually look through the lens and take a picture of them. So if you want to draw it.
I want to do that.
So you can use your camera to take a picture of the cheek cells.
Ah.
They're so cute. They're like jelly.
So be careful. You guys, when you're doing this, don't touch the big focus because the lens is so close you might hit the slide and scratch the lens and it'll ruin the microscope. So if it's not clear, you can use this fine focus, the little one. You may have to take your glasses off, Stella. And then just use a small focus to get it, okay? Use the small focus. You can use this little focus to get it, okay? Okay, let me go over here and say, let's see these guys. Did you guys make the slide yet? Did you guys make the cheek slide?
What is that?
We're recording. So, did you guys make a cheek slide yet?
We're making it.
You don't. Did you put? You only put one drop of blue on there, right? Did you put and you put the cheek? Did you mix the cheek cell in there already? Okay, good. Okay, good.
Is that the pond water?
No, this is just a cheek cell. So you want to put just one thing to hold it, okay? So you can still move it around, and you're going to bring it up like that.
Do we have to draw it?
You're going to have to draw it.
So we can take a picture of it.
Pardon? You can take a picture through the lens and you can draw it. Okay?
So we begin?
Yeah.
So the pond water.
Well, we're going to do the palm water in just a second. Let me help them with the cheek cell, and then we'll do the palm water. Okay?
Yeah, that's it.
There's nothing.
Can I
Do it all south and do that.
Is this a
Stay in your
palm water?
mouth and keep it in front.
I thought it was somebody's lunch.
The light's not turned on. You guys got to turn the light on first.
Rosali soup.
Keep
How
it.
come it's not coming out there? Oh, okay, there you go. Yeah.
What do you do? Assassination.
Okay, there's lots of cheek cells. Let's go to a bigger power. Okay, you want to look at it? You can look right now, it's small. You can look right now why it's small. Yeah, if you spill that on yourself, it's really, you can't get it off. It's permanent ink. Those are small. We need to pick a bigger power, but let the other girls look at it small. Everybody look at it small real quick. And then we'll go to a bigger power so you can see them clearer so you can draw pictures of it, okay? You may have to focus it with this to see it better. Because everybody's eyes are different shape a little bit, so the focus is going to be different. So you have to play with the focus so you can see it better.
Tap water.
So you can focus it with the little knob there. Use the little one, not the big one, because the big one will probably get it too out of focus for you. Can you see them a little bit?
But it's moving.
Okay, then you have to change this to get your eyes in there too, because everybody has different distance between the eyes.
My eyes are
No, because if you don't hold your head still, it'll move around. It's hard to see. You have to hold your head still while you're doing it. Okay, let's go to a bigger power. Okay, did you look at it? We're going to go to a bigger power after this so we can see them bigger. And then we'll do the pond scum water after that. So I'm going to, let me sit down for a second so we can get to a bigger scale here. Okay, so we're going to go up in magnification.
Just chill, man. I like it. Doesn't like it like that.
I'm going to move it around a little bit, see if I can find a better cheek scale.
I'm out here.
Okay, I put kind of a rectangular one right off to the left, and I went up higher power. Take a look at it now and see what you can see. Can you see that a little bit better now? Because I went up all the way in magnification there. So you guys can see it.
I can see my own eyelashes.
Well, you have to get your eye close enough. If you get your eye too close or too far away, your eyelashes are all you're going to see. Okay, we're gonna.
Is that?
Did she get? Oh, she got more color slips. We're gonna do some palm skim. Are you taking some for the other side?
Yeah, you want to go to high power? On the pawn stuff? If you get stuff that's not moving.
I'm not in the palm right now. We're
On
teaching cheek.
Yeah,
Cheek.
All right.
So, do you guys have a cell phone?
I'm going to blow this for a
Take a
second.
picture of it. Yeah, go ahead. Now we'll bring it back because we haven't done that. We're doing that next. So if you can take a picture of it, then you can draw it. That's easier because you can't sit there and look at the microscope the whole time. So if you have a camera, you can take a picture of the cheek cells. Okay.
That's me.
Okay. Do you want to take a picture of the cheek cell with your camera? Do you want to take a picture of it with your camera?
How do you take a picture?
So you get your notebooks and you're going to make little drawings of this stuff, okay? Cheek cells, and then we'll do the pond scum as soon as it gets past the pond scum.
Are they alive? Is your cough?
Yeah.
Are they alive?
Not really. They might be moving. They might be still alive a little bit. They're going to die eventually because they can't move around. They're no longer alive. The pond scum's going to be alive and moving around.
Hey, Henry, let's do it over there.
Yes. You know, away from people. That's how we
We
feel.
take one of these.
戲耶，我问啊，
戏
戲應該啲啦，有戲。
Someone has to do this.
阿美老土。
就没按到了，他得憋吧。
Oh, there's debris and stuff moving around. That's not alive. That's not the cheek cell. That's just some other stuff that was inside there. There's another one right there that's pretty good. So there's one off to the right there. That's another cheek cell. Look with the right lens. I didn't do it for the left. The left might miss. Okay, let me okay. The left might be out of focus.
Eyelashes are scary.
What?
The eyelashes are
Why are they scary? Can you see Alan? I don't think it's focused for that one. I think it's focused for the right objective. You can get your eyes in there and you can adjust the left objective to get it focused for you. The left objective you can focus independently. Okay. So you can get them both independently. Because if you get too close or too far away, you'll see your eyelashes. So you want to get the scope and you want to adjust this for your eyes. If you get too close, you'll see your eyelashes. So you don't want to get too close. So, here, sit down and do it. Try to sit down and do that. So, okay. And adjust the diopter so they're even on your eye. So you can adjust this as even on your eye. And then you want to adjust the focus right here. Use the big one to break the slide. So use that and then focus it. And when you focus, you see different thicknesses of the cheek cell. You'll see different. You'll see the nucleus, and you'll see the cell wall, but you won't see them both at the same time by playing with it. You see how so, do you have a cell phone today? Okay. Well, if you don't have to, you just have to do it by memory. Okay. Okay.
Are these two same? Are these two maybe same?
They are, but you have to adjust this for focus. So you can adjust the focus on this one by turning it. You can adjust the focus.
So they're the same.
They're the same, but they might be off a little bit in focus. So like right now, I focus it so you can see the nucleus. You don't see the cell wall. But right now I can see the nucleus. The nucleus on this one's not in the center, it's up to the left. Because that cell probably got destroyed when I was scraping it. It probably messed it up a little bit. Okay, so let's. So I don't know how to put this on pause. So gentlemen, did you see you guys have a cheek cell in there or no?
Yeah, so
Okay, let me take a look.
look at it. Yeah, me and less.
Okay. So you have a little thing. You gotta focus it a little sharper. Okay, there's some down there. Let's see. I'm gonna move it around a little bit so we can see if I can find a better cheek cell. Better example. I see a lot of debris. I'm trying to find a good cheek cell. I only see one that really looks like a cheek cell. It's pretty much in the center. There's probably a whole cluster of them to the right. They're all stuck together. And there's one that's off by itself in the middle. You see the one in the middle? And the one to the right, there's a whole cluster of cheek cells stuck together. They all got kind of stuck together. They didn't get spread out very good. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me get the palm shield.
Whose cheek cell is it?
Bless you.
Donations.
I know I don't want to look at it.
I want to go for this one. This one has more of a wider perspective.
Okay, you guys come over here. Watch what I'm doing. Drop some over for a second. So here's some pond water that we got walking around. We just found some mud puddles. And these mud puddles from the rain that we've had, local rain we've had recently.
Should I remove this?
Yeah, you can take that one off. So these are just mud puddles. And well, the green.
Seaweed.
This is a leaf, and then down in here is some algae. I'm just kind of mixing it up. So I'm just going to put a little bit on here,
Who's that? I eat that.
and then we'll put a cover slip. Will you grab a cover slip, Yuri, over there, or Stella? The little cover slip in that box.
Kind of plants.
Yeah, the little flat ones.
The mold is somewhere.
So we'll put a little cover slip on it. And, okay, and then let's put it on this scope and see if we can find anything in here. Okay, I'm going to put one edge to cover it so it won't move too fast. And then let's take a look. Excuse me.
Oh, that's moving, right? Yeah.
Did you see anything already?
That was clear. No.
Okay.
Did you see anything?
Yeah,
The little straws are the algae. Those are the filamentous algae.
oh, there's stuff moving.
You see stuff moving? Let me take a look. Let me take a look real quick.
There are
Oh, cool. There's rotifers, all kinds of stuff in there.
And
The guys that grab.
Well, I haven't seen the grabbing one. I just see the little rotor spinning really
this
fast.
is better than the other
Still
one.
live?
They see me roll.
Yes, it's
That's
alive.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Not my pizza.
Like in the Frankenstein movie. It's alive. It's alive.
Yeah.
So you guys, let's make some pond scale.
You better have to look up the white
So you just reach in here, grab some off the leaf, grab a little in here, and just put it in there,
This is awesome.
and then drop a cover slip on it.
I can actually see something moving there.
Just try not to spill it.
Oh, it's
Can you
moving.
take the cheek off there?
对呀，对呀，they're moving. Oh,
Take it off this high focus.
That's how I observe. Scrolls on the scrolls. So I just draw how it looks like.
I can see them
How it
moving.
looks like that.
You want to focus it?
I can only see this in the film.
Those are pretty cool, those little things that are moving around, huh? Did you get it in focus?
Yeah, I can see it.
Lots of drawing.
Check it out.
It's so tiny, but like disgusting.
Okay, check it out. Did you see things moving? Stella, you look really fast. What?
No, I didn't say anything. No, I didn't say anything.
Are there things inside of us moving? What did you see, Alan?
Oh, suddenly it turned black.
Yeah, there's lots of things moving in there, huh?
Oh, there's so many stuff moving.
You like all those little bugs moving, Stella?
Oh my.
You gonna do a video of it? So you have to focus it to your own individual eyes. So everybody's eyes focus is a little different. That one had all kinds of light. It was really cool.
Oh, that's good. See, one shot. One shot.
Cheek cells.
Yes.
That's it. The cheek cells. We don't do.
Well, you're gonna draw the cheek cells, and you're also gonna draw the things you see like in the pond, or we call the mud puddle water. So you make it really long. The mud puddle water is several things you draw. Well, you can do more than two drawings. One drawing is from your cheek cell, which is pretty boring. The next one is from all those things that you can see on there drawing. So you draw several drawings.
They say Columbus is because they always love Korean.
That's about it.
Me too.
What?
So you're doing a video of it so you can play it back later? You're watching a video, you're making a video of it?
It's phone cam.
You're reading us to look a little bit. What do you see? What do you see? Do you see different ones? Or the same one?
The ciliated process.
Wait, actually, I might be wrong.
No, it can't be ciliated process.
Yeah, they're no, they're not.
No, because ciliated process, they have different types of shapes. Here, it does not have different, it's just only standing. They have only circles. Ciliated process. No, those circles are single in the cheeks. So, don't blame me. You see them? Also, you can go. Yeah, they're very high diversity. Right? Well, some of the spots are moving. Okay, I'll give you that. That's good. Oh, then, wait, those are small fish? The ones that are on the road for them. Was it wild? Small protozoans should have a flat. So there are pretty much everything in here.
Ah, go!
Around there, small little circles around there, and then there's also
That's not his cheeks though.
there's so much to
Try to do like a big
hot
blow of one that like chromosome or look at one, try to blow it up, make a bigger picture of just one thing. Like those are the, those are, you could say like these are the algae and these are the, but make a little bit bigger drawing so you can see it. I know you're trying to draw it all on one screen, but do a couple blow ups on the side too. Okay. So are you girls making a video of it?
No.
Yes, Kelly. Is this the cheek cell still?
Oh.
I think this is the cheek cells. These are just from the side. So those are probably just like connective tissue. These are this is part of your skin. We were trying to find your cheek cells. Yeah,
Pretty clear.
So you can see all in out the yeah, there's also here. This is also they're just like
this wasn't like a place, so you can only see half this one.
no, there were actually three circles.
Oh, there's just thousands of cheek cells. There's actually nearly thousands. Okay, in the center, pretty much the center a little bit high. I'm afraid my foot will lose it. You'll look, I focus on, there's actually, I have so many cheek cells, you can't see them, they're all squished together. But if you look in the center, I focus on the nucleus of a couple of them. Right in the center, there's a nucleus that's focused really sharp. The nucleus of the cell. So look at the cell. Can you see the nucleus in the center? There's a cheek cell. I scraped so much there's thousands of cheek cells and they're all stuck to each other. Do you see that little sharp focus thing in the center? That's the nucleus of that cheek cell. Do you see that nucleus? You actually have a hair on your eyelash. Sorry. Can you see that nucleus on that cheek cell? Okay, let me look for a second. Let me see this for a second. Okay. Can you see the thing that's sharply focused? Now you move the slide. It's now not in the center, it's down. There's like a little dark thing. That's the center. There's a couple of them. There's one up high in the middle. I wish I had a pointer so I could point it out to you. Okay, play with the focus. Here, don't play, just look at it right now, because your eyes are different than mine. But you'll see, I focused on just the nucleus, the nucleus. So take a look and see if you can see it. You see the nucleus is in focus? Or you can play with it a little bit and make it in and out of focus. You can see just the whole cell and the cell wall. You can't see the nucleus and see the cell wall, the outside edge the same. Can you see it? Or you can't see it? You can? Okay, good. So there's so many cheek cells that are all stuck to each other. All of those are cheek cells mashed together. So I just focus sharp on the nucleus, so you can see the nucleus of the nucleus. You can see the wall membrane better if I focus out the nucleus. But if you want to see the nucleus, you have to focus on the staff. So, anyways. Yes. Okay, go ahead. Okay.